In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change country on Opera GX browser. We'll use the browser's built-in VPN to switch your virtual location, which is what most people mean by changing country. This affects how websites see your location while you browse, and it can be helpful for testing region-specific content or improving privacy online. Start by opening Opera GX on your computer. Once the browser is up, look over to the left sidebar and click the Settings icon. It looks like a small gear. This opens the Settings panel where you can manage features and privacy controls. In the Settings, find the VPN section. Opera GX includes a VPN you can turn on without installing extra extensions. Click into VPN to view its options, then enable it with the toggle. When it's on, Opera adds a VPN badge to the top of the browser right in the address bar. That badge is your quick control for switching locations. Now move to the top of the browser and click the VPN badge. A small panel appears showing your connection status and location controls. This is where you make the change. Open the location menu and choose the country or region you want to appear from. Depending on your version of Opera GX, you might see specific countries or broader regions like the Americas, Europe, or Asia. Pick the one that best matches your needs. After you select it, give the browser a moment to reconnect through that location. A couple of practical tips as you do this. Speeds can vary by location, so if a site feels slow, try another option from the list. Some services may still detect or block VPN traffic, which is normal behavior across many sites. And if you only need the change temporarily, you can return to the VPN panel at the top and turn it off when you're done. That's it. You've opened Opera GX, gone into Settings, turned on the built-in VPN, clicked the VPN badge at the top, and selected your new location. Enjoy your browsing with your updated virtual country.